Now we're going to take our Shomen strike, our overhand strike to the head, one step further. No pun intended, but we're going to step as we strike, and we're going to strike on both sides. So from our initial strike, we step back and get ready to strike. We strike forward, then we turn and strike the other side. Turn and strike the other side. Turn and strike the other side. And you can do this walking across the whole yard. Do 25 steps, turn around, do 25 steps and strikes back the other way. Get used to striking with each step, and as you walk, putting the power of your hips into the strike. And that will be something that we can add to as we build a kata for these. And I'm going to show you some kata that are traditional aikido practice kata, but we'll do our own. It doesn't really matter. What matters is that you go from one technique or one strike and block combination into another, and we'll develop it as we go along. So practice this.